Do you have a second-hand Samsung phone and want to wipe off all the previous data, or do you often encounter system problems and need to make a fresh start? These issues can't be solved if you don't have the password. However, no matter which situation you're in, don't worry. In this video, there are 3 helpful methods to factory reset a Samsung phone without a password. Let's dive in. If you don't want to use a computer to solve the problem, this method will be suitable for you. However, you must ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi network or mobile data, as they are essential for the Android recovery mode. Firstly, turn off your Samsung phone. Then, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Then select the Wipe Data or Factory Reset option. Now select Yes to delete all user data. When the process is completed, you'll find that your Samsung phone has been successfully factory reset. Here, we'll use a professional tool called DroidKit. It offers an effective way to factory reset your Samsung phone without a password and remove the lock screen, no matter what kind of password is used to lock your device. Besides serving as an Android unlock tool, DroidKit also supports bypassing the FRP lock, recovering lost or deleted data, and fixing system issues, etc. Next, let me show you how to factory reset Samsung without a password using DroidKit step by step. Firstly, download DroidKit for free and run it. Then click on Screen Unlocker. Then connect your phone to your computer via USB cable. Now click the Start button and DroidKit will prepare the configuration file for you. Once it's done, click the Remove Now button to proceed. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Once the unlocking process is completed, the lock screen of your phone will be removed, and you can now set up your Samsung phone. If you remember your Google account and password, you can still try this method. Firstly, go to the Google Find My Device website and log into your Google account. Then click on Factory Reset Device on the left side of the interface. After clicking, the page will back to the login interface. Simply log into your Google account again, then click on Factory Reset Device again. The process of erasing the device may take some time, so please wait patiently. Once the process is complete, your Samsung phone will have been factory reset successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.